Today, we'll find out, will Mr. Dusty finally get a podium, or will he crash? I'm probably going to crash.
Don't you down this car, mate.
Welcome to the Ben Motorsport Park. Welcome back to racing. How do you feel about it?
Let me know. I'll let you know after this afternoon. There we go.
Some fresh stickers on car 2. It's good to have Lisa back out. And how hot is the stickering? I like it. We've got qualifying coming up today in 2 races. I'm with 𝒂𝒔𝒔𝒊𝒂𝒍 Motorsport, close friends of mine who are looking after the car so I can film stupid content on the internet. Let's get ready for qualifying. We've got a record grid of 53 Circuit XL race cars, Masters and Trophy combined. It is so packed this weekend. I'm looking forward to it. P7, mate. Really? Are you happy?
I am happy.
Leo got P3.
P3.
P13 and P7. So starting P13 for race 1. This is where crashes happen. I'm not keen to start P13. I should have gone for another lap. Fuck.
No comment.
How do you feel about the position?
No comment.
So you're not happy about it?
No, I'm not. No.
Nah, he's all right. Just wanted to bring the car back straight and him back straight.
I'm saying, and just on your thoughts on Leo's performance?
Yeah, very good. Happy.
What would happen if he wasn't up there? What would you do?
Probably the same thing Remo would do.
What would that be?
Go home.
Do you reckon your dad normally gets pissed at you when you don't qualify high up? Oh. That's the feedback we've got. Thank you guys, really appreciate it. Where'd you qualify, kiddo?
Oh, qualified 12th. I was very happy with that.
So I'm starting next to you.
Wow.
Good luck, all right? Hey, who's this?
Mattea,
And how do you know Cruz?
his girlfriend.
It's what?
His girlfriend.
Oh, there you go. Look, so if Cruz gets a top 5, he'll get a kiss after this race. So fingers crossed. Can you do a top 5 for us?
I can do a top 5.
Do you want a kiss?
Yes.
You'll get one from me as well.
Yes.
Good, good. Hey, Grandma's excited. Woo! Let's go. How are you feeling? What do you need to improve on?
Just go up in the pack and be better.
If it rains, how would you feel about that, mate?
I like it wet.
I said I wouldn't make any contact this weekend. It's not bad. It's a good effort. Lisa's not happy. It's not bad. It's all just chuck on and repair, put a new headlight in, she'll be good.
Repair 1 or 2 fronts of cars in the side.
Look at this guy go. Fixing up my bullshit. We're going out for race 2 now, starting P14. Will I have any more damage? No. I'll get some overtakes. We're in the pits while the race is happening. I'm going to check the footage. There was no overlap from what I know, but it's bent on the front left, so this is just... What's your name, mate?
Aiden Brand.
So Aiden has done what I've done many times. What happened?
Went down the inside, someone didn't give me space, and we collided.
That's right. Now, back in the day, I would have fucking had a sook, but to all your kids out there, just shake their hand and say, oh, it's all good. But how are you after that race? You feel like you got some places up?
I gained one. It wasn't too bad, but I would have preferred no damage, so.
I feel you. It's all good. On to race 3.
Race 3.
How are you today?
I like turtles.
Welcome to Sunday's racing. We fixed the car, starting from last place. Ew, Jesus Christ, you f***ing scared me. That's Aaron Semler. Well, we're gonna race now, that's what we're gonna do. What do you think of this mo, guys? Should I keep it or not? We've just finished race 3. We only got 3 laps of racing because there was a safety car for, well, Aiden Morrison had a big shunt, so I'm hoping he's okay. There you go, guys. That's poor Aiden. He's all right, but that's what a concrete wall looks like, so poor bloke. So you guys can see where it's absorbed the impact. That's what you call a ride-off, because the force has gone all the way to the roof, and yeah, that's just the last thing you want to see.
Darren Swain, part of AA Racing, car 142. Had a bit of an incident round through the bowl. So yeah, obviously the left-hand side, that's where it took most of the damage, and then she's rolled over onto the roof. By the time the dust settled, I was able to get myself out and yeah, go from there.
How do you feel mentally?
Yeah, all good. Yeah, it was just one of those racing incidents. So yeah, it is what it is.
Top 5, you'll get a kiss. Is that going to happen or not?
Hopefully, that would be great, but it's not looking too good at the moment.
Where are you starting?
I'm starting 16th, which is better than 28th, so we're getting there.
Do you think you'll get a top 5?
Maybe.
I don't know if it's going to happen. I'll push you along, but if not, you're going to go home sad. Is that correct?
Yeah, no kisses.
No kisses. Obviously, we've just finished off race 4 under safety car, 1 lap of racing. Now, I paid for the whole track, and this is how I explain it. It's like you're with a chick having a great time, and she says, I've got to go. I want to finish, and I didn't get to finish, so a little bit pissed off, but I just want to say a massive thanks to 𝒂𝒑𝒔𝒊𝒂 Motorsport for supporting us this weekend, because he's finished his job, and he's hiding away from all the bullshit, but it's been good. If you want to get into XL racing, let me know. I can't help you. I'll do my best. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.